from an original thugs to shit, and I'm flipping it, putting it tongue, nigga. Cleveland is the city where we come from. Gotta show them hoes up into the club, the thugs, the rock, bucking it with my wine and dime, and never really got me back. And I'm throwing no safe the thugs, the nigga ripping without my cat. Forever be ready to follow me murder 2 weeks, 9 in lifestyle. Ooh, me put in my mind, I'm murdering you. Wondering all of my murder is true, nigga. Oh, damn. Busy bone. And you be like, ooh. I'll be like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, so let's, get into this.
You know. Damn, it's banging. You know. It's banging. Oh, banging.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Snoopy's Gang and Angels? Welcome back to my channel. This is where we're gonna keep it banging. I hope everybody's having a good morning so far. I know it's really early on the West Coast, and over here on the East Coast it'll be 9. All right, so listen, first I want to give a huge shout out and a happy birthday to my grandfather, who's no longer here. He hasn't been here in many years, but today he would have been 87 years old. His name is Denis Shuffler, and he was born on March 3rd, so that was actually yesterday, but it's all good. What's today? It's Wednesday. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, so yeah, happy birthday, Granddad. Love you, miss you. Good memories. I'll toss your picture up here somewhere. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so what we got here is some sticky rice, and this is just greens for decoration. I got some sweet onion dressing. I love this on sandwiches, but I never had it with cucumbers. I just had that on the side for some veggies, just for a little bit of snap crunch to refresh my palate as we get into it. But anyway, I want to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. I'm SnoopyEats 408, and yeah, get you something to eat, get cozy, pull up a chair, and let's get into it. All right, so this right here is one of my favorite meals ever. It's I can't tilt it too much because it's going to spiel. But it's just beef chunks, and then seasoned, floured, and then like fried, and then slowly pressured, and then you make a little gravy out of it. That's it. So let's get some beef chunks here. I'm gonna push this in a little bit. It's piping hot too, but that's how I like my food, piping hot. Some down here. So how's everybody this morning? What are you guys eating? What do you guys got planned for this weekend? How's everybody doing? Me, it's coming along. My foot is healing pretty nicely. Still get a little bit of pain, but it's really dull now. I just take a couple of Advil and then I'm good. So we're just gonna layer this up. I got some extra beef here, just in case, baby. Just in case I gotta whip out the big dogs. But I want to give a shout out to everybody who's been rocking with me, man. I appreciate all the love. You guys are awesome. I love the comments, because it's just as much as I be making y'all laugh, you guys make me laugh straight up. So it's all love. Good things come from good people, so just keep that in mind. So we're gonna lace this up real quick with one more spoon of this delicious gravy. Yeah, that should be alright, because then I'm gonna start spilling it oozing all over the place. As for you, Notch, little bully foot. Okay, alright, y'all. Let's get into some fun. Let's eat. Enjoy. If you're on your break, sit down and enjoy, man. Alright, so definitely want to give thanks to this food. And to drink in blue today, can y'all see me good? Got my merch. This is my first original merch t-shirt right here. Should make these again, but you know, Lord, there we go. Okay, so I got Kool Aid. So I got a mixture of cherry and a mixture of grape. I put them in water bottles. I'm gonna do a little ASMR pour up for y'all. And I think 2 bottles might get it. Hopefully, we'll see. Doom 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 boom 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 boom. Let me show y'all. Ooh wee. I will comfort you. I will comfort you. Oh man, isn't that a work of art? Beautiful. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Anyway, I ain't trying to sing, trust me. Just having fun. Alright. Okay, let's pour up and eat. ASMR. This gives Notch anxiety. This gives a couple people anxiety. And thanks for telling me, because now I'm going to take full advantage. Miss Notch, Aphrodite's, Lizzie, who else was there? Keys. There's a couple others, but let's see. Let's see the stretch. Stretch Armstrong on y'all right quick. Look. Ooh. Okay, that's good, y'all. Let's start banging. Of course, I got the Sam Yizzle on Dizzle for shizzle. We're gonna get right into this. Let's take a sip. Ooh, that's bomb. All right, we're gonna try it without anything. We're just gonna eat regular first. Move this out the way. Let's get a nice bite for you guys here. Hold on. Well, first, let's get a thumbnail. Hold on. Should I do RDR? Shout out to my homeboy RDR, dog. Oh man, missed that dude. What's up with Gilmo? Lil Gilmo Eats. Shout out to Lil Gilmo Eats. I think he taking a little break. This is good. Y'all deserve it. Need it. Trust me. Ooh. Alright. Let's go. Let's go, Snoop. Let's go. Ooh, first bite, gang. Damn, dog. Good morning. It looks like I'm being extra. I could be extra. That's just how I am. I just love to have fun. But when I be like getting all these shots, that's content creators know, especially mukbangers, you got to get that proper thumbnail, man, and win that click war. You get a good thumbnail, you win it. I don't know. Alright. Like my boy Quandran says. Guys got it. Quick times. Pump for this. That's good. Second bite gang. I don't know. Can you handle all that meat in your mouth? It's a big spoonful. It's a lot of protein. Shut y'all nasty ass up. Don't be coming for me. Oh man, this is banging. Straight banging. Oh, let me hit it from the front. Tina Garcia, banana, what it do though? Shout out to you. With some hella banging content. Somebody left me a comment saying that they love to see mukbangers drink in between eating or bites or something like that. Yeah, I have to. I'm a eat, sip type of dude. I really wish that I could share some of this with you guys, man. This is one of my favorite, on my top 3 go-to comfort meals. Anytime, but especially in the wintertime. Ooh, it's sweet. I put hell ice so it'll thin out a little bit. You know, I will say this. I usually don't speak too much of my, spiritual experience with a lot of folks because a lot of folks, they don't get it. And that's okay, but one thing my grandfather did tell me, and this was recently. I know you're probably like, what do you mean recently? Just put 2 and 2 together. He told me he loves my channel, and he told me to keep it organic. I always say keep it crispy. He said keep it organic. So I was just like, all right, granddad, that sounds bomb. That's pretty tight. Like, keep it organic. Like saying keeping it real, keeping it organic. I'm doing me in my lane, Snoopy's 408. So I don't know anything else to do but myself. So, excuse me. I do impressions out of love for my folks, especially those that are really, really close to me here. And it's just been a talent that I've just been blessed with. So I like to do it as fun. I love comedy, like I keep saying. But other than that, this is me, 100%. On and off camera. If you guys get a chance to, oh, I got cucumber there. If you get a chance to try this, try it with some cucumber and your choice of dip. But this sweet onion is pretty banging. I've seen a lot of people hold on. This is from Ms. Notch. Look, the drizzly drip drip with the ooh part 2 ooh. So she can DM me later. We can have a good old laugh. That's funny. Anyway, what was I saying? I'm saying something. Oh, there's this it's like a sprinkle. I think you get it from Buffalo Wild Wings. Beat up, what do they call it? Some shit like that. There's a salt and vinegar or dill pickle. I think they have many different flavors, but it's just a sprinkle and you put it on your vegetables like this. I see everybody with it, so I need to order that. Turtle Creativity, please remind me. I need that. Hope my presentation was on point. That is a big deal for me. I was tired, and I said I was just gonna come on here and just eat and be like, whatever, you guys, I'm just eating. Then I really thought about y'all, and I was like, you know what? I love that you guys love when you see art displayed. Especially those out there that are like me. Those of you out there like me who love the art of how food looks when it's plated. Shout out to Quan Tran. Who I binge watch every day alongside Mark Wiens. I watch Strictly Dumpling too. I love to watch the ramen videos. I've seen, and I'm gonna give credit to Mark Wiens first because I think he did it first. Yeah, he did do it first. Well, he went to Japan. It was in Japan? Yeah, he went to Japan. And, oh, that heat's kicking in now. He went to Japan, he went to the special ramen house, and they had this something, a ramen bowl of noodles called, it's called, the devil level, or something like that. And it's supposed to be the hottest ramen I think in the world. Boy, let me tell you, man, Mark Wiens is a champ. That fool ate that whole thing, dog, and cleaned the bowl. His wife took a little bit, and he was like, no, it's really hot. The Sichuan. He was going on. I know when I laugh, sometimes I blink like Eddie Griffin like that. I know it's stupid, but look. Ying took a little bit, his wife took a little bit on a spoon, just a little bit like that. A little bit like that. And she was like, The guy ate a whole bowl, you know, a regular sized bowl. It looks so good, but he can tolerate heat, but that thing burned him. He said his mouth was numb. Then, not on the same episode, but an episode with Strictly Dumping, he ate the whole bowl. You guys are soldiers, man. I'm heat training right now, but some more savage beast on these heat streets, man. Oh man, I tip my hat and shout outs to B Loves Life. What's up, big sis? Muscle and Marriage, man. My boy Keys. Heat beast. Man, it's exciting seeing people who can handle the heat like that, but let me tell you, if you eat it like the way we eat it, and I'm just very lightly saying we, as I'm putting myself up in there. I used to be able to handle a lot of heat. I did the 2 times noodles probably about 3 times, and I don't know, I think YouTube took that video down. Excuse me. It was in my old intro, so I did do it, and my niece was with me. She collabed with me, and she actually did pretty good. I think she took like 4 bites. I finished. I had like maybe a bite. If you scraped up everything, I had like maybe a bite left, but. And then Steph and Tosh, shout out to Steph and Tosh, they challenged me. They said, they came in my live and they were like, Snoopy, we get you to so many likes, you got to do that challenge. And it was the 2 times spicy chicken wing challenge. You had to eat 10. You guys go check out that video. Go check out that video and have a good laugh. I was hallucinating, getting ready to pass out, but it was fun. It was painful, and it was painful the next day. Man, you talk about fire darts, damn dog, like straight sharts, fiery shit darts. I just just shooting out the ass. I was just like, whoo. But thank God for cell phones, man, because you can sit there and Google and all kinds of shit, just check all your mail and shit, send out faxes. You can do it. By the time you get off that toilet, man, you done did a whole scroll through Google heaven, man. Like, I got more beef. You want some more beef? I'm getting full now, though. I love the extremely fatty bits. That'll be y'all's last bite right there. Did pretty good. You guys did a good job, huh? I hope everybody's having a beautiful morning. I feel really good. I'm having a great morning. Love, love, love my Kool Aid. Okay, before I start stuffing my grill again, let me say, oh yeah, so merch update. For those that placed orders for merch, it is coming. It is more than halfway on the way. Let's see, we're in Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So supposed to be there by Saturday, but give it till Monday, just in case. But either way, this next week, your merch is going to be landed. And if you would like to take a picture with my merch on that you purchased, which is now yours, not mine, but you know what I mean. You want to take a picture and send it to me, I will post it on all my social media. I'll post it on my YouTube community tab if that's what you want. So go ahead and do that. My Instagram is, let me see if you're looking at it this way. Yeah, I'll probably put it here. My Instagram is SnoopyEats408, just like my YouTube name. Excuse me. Sean Shuffler on Facebook. SnoopyEats408 on Twitter. SnoopyEats with a Z instead of a S on the end for Snapchat. What else do I got? I think that's it. I said IG, right? Yeah. And that's it. Send your pictures however you want. I'm gonna eat the rice some of it, but let me give y'all the last bite. Let me give y'all the last bite. Like Gilmo said, because the last bite is the best bite ever. All right, keep it banging, baby. Is that sensual enough mukbang for you? What if I ate like that? Hey, look. I really want to sing, but I need to drink some honey. Oh, my homeboy Rice. Rice, your order is going to take about a week longer because you got a special order and you wanted me to sign yours. So this is what the signature is going to look like, okay? If you order merch with me, I signed it. This is what it's going to look like, okay? When I sign your merch. It's going to look just like that. And it will have the 408 on the bottom off to the side. Okay? So that's what it's going to look like. He requested it. He said, Snoop, I want you to sign your name on there, big homie. So I was like, you're my big homie, but shout. We can get it in. We can show enough can get it in, brother. Shout out to Temple, Texas. Big Rice. That's the homie right there, man. Ooh, yeah, shit. Rice was wearing all blue in this his live earlier. Like I said it, dog. Hey, this brother was doing the suffering cricket. He called it the dying cricket. He was Rice. How you do? No, he said, hey Snoop, I want to know how to deal with you, Snoop. Man, shit. You roll up in the club, just face look all serious, run up on the brother like. That food is jumping around my tummy. But Rice funny in the butt, boy. Ooh, man. I love Rice, man. I don't understand how them weak, whack-ass trolls be coming up in there talking smack, but they soft. They be seeing me up in there, they don't say nothing. But look, we gonna keep it 100, keep it pushing, man. Man, shout out to you, Rice. Shout out to, man, all my supporters. Especially the ones that I rock with on a daily, man. Like, you guys is amazing. So I love you guys dearly. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here now. Let me take one more bite. Yeah, so my Cali trip I wrote it down here. My Cali trip got pushed back to just a month, just till August. I don't know why. It's my auntie's thing. I say auntie and auntie. Covered everything. I'm gonna take one more last bite. I want to tell everybody to, yeah, we're halfway there. So happy hump day. And keep it crispy, stay blessed. Be safe, drive safe. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. Stay strong. Stay in your lane, you know? You can look out the window. You can turn the beat up and just stay straight. Just do you. You don't need to be nobody else. Just keep doing your thing. Don't worry about if it takes a long time or whatever it is that you're dealing with in life. I'm specifically talking about channel growth, but whatever it is that you're suffering with, just stay steadfast and keep grinding, you know? I learn every day too. Trust me. I'm flesh just like y'all. I'm humble, and I'm gonna continue to show y'all love, because y'all show me tremendous amount of love, and I love y'all. All right, so that being said, oh, let's say it in Spanish. Let me do a central bite. Te amo. Let me get the hell out of here. Let me get out of here, man. Stupid. I'm out of here, y'all. Stay blessed. I love you. Peace.